Extreme machines, extreme speed, extreme danger. We're bringing you the best of both worlds, lightning-fast firewood processing and giant chainsaw carnage. Buckle up, it's about to get wild. Wow, tired of back-breaking labor and uneven firewood? The Cord King crushes winter problems with a monstrous 58 tons of splitting force. No log stands a chance. And here's the insane part, the 16-way wedge. One log turns into 16 perfect pieces in seconds. Add the Tumble King cleaning system, and you've got firewood that's not just split but refined. Winter's coming, but you'll be ready. Amazing. No more slow and messy debarking. The Mibor debarking line takes wood prep to the next level. With models like the SLH1 12000 and SFH1 12000, it handles logs up to 47 inches across like nothing. Debarking and reducing logs in one go means less waste, faster work, and safer operation with metal detection built in. Insane? Check out the Holtzforma G888. This chainsaw is all about power-to-weight brilliance. 8.7 horsepower at under 26 pounds. Most saws in this class are way heavier. That means more portability, less fatigue, and the perfect tool for big projects like milling a massive oak. This saw isn't just powerful, it's freedom in your hands. Man, the beasts are unleashed but never satisfied. Keep them hungry by smashing that like button and subscribing. Tell us in the comments which chainsaw screamed the loudest today. The revolution's just starting, and you're part of it. Wow, the Morbark 5048 is a true monster of a chipper. With a 48-inch drum, up to 1,200 horsepower, and a 400-gallon fuel tank, this beast is built for non-stop heavy-duty action. And the Morbark integrated control system gives you remote monitoring and diagnostics to keep it running smooth. For big jobs and big loads, this machine is pure reliability. Man, this is exactly why safety gear matters. No helmet, no gloves, no protection. It's a recipe for disaster. Out here, one slip can change everything. So always suit up before you fire up the machine.
Du siehst den ganzen Spaltautomaten von drinnen, gell? Du siehst unter dem Gerät durch.
Wow, the Checkmate Dominator VAC-R A500HK is built for precision. Its hydraulic system only needs 10 gallons per minute, and it's loader-friendly. With wireless remote control, you can run the whole thing without breaking a sweat. At around $22,000, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about firewood production.
Ein Meter. Welche Firma gang das?
Amazing, a 30-ton digger splitting logs. With this wild attachment, the excavator isn't just moving dirt, it's tearing through wood like a pro. This creative setup turns an everyday machine into a powerhouse for processing logs and prepping them for chipping. Total game changer for big land clearing jobs. Whoa, check out the Xiaopack palletizer. Using vibration and hydraulics, it neatly stacks and compacts logs into pallets up to 47 by 47 inches. Add waterproof or net wrapping, and you've got tight, stable loads ready to ship. Clean, smart, and super efficient. Incredible. Sometimes simplicity wins. This design uses force so efficiently that it beats swinging an axe any day. Less energy, lower labor costs, and big savings on electricity. Over time, that means more firewood and more money in your pocket. Wow, the Ecolog 590D is an absolute beast. We're talking 20,000 pounds of raw power paired with the LogMax 7000 head for surgical precision. Maximum efficiency, minimal waste. This isn't just logging, it's art in motion. And wait until you see the cockpit, it feels like piloting a jet. amazing heavy machinery never gets old to watch. The size, the force, the precision, it hits something primal in us. And this circular crane? Pure perfection, showing just how far engineering can go. Oh man, a wet road on a slope? That's a recipe for disaster. Watching this, my heart stopped for a second. Thank goodness the operator walked away without serious injuries. Safety first, folks. Conditions like this are no joke. Whoa, driving these beasts on the road is no joke. It takes serious skill and nerves of steel, but even the best drivers can get caught in a bad spot. The road is wild, and accidents happen in the blink of an eye. Holy smokes, have you ever seen a rock crusher like this? This monster devours boulders like they're popcorn. The sheer industrial power on display is insane. I could watch it chew rocks all day. Unbelievable, this is pure genius. A homemade firewood processor built just for softwoods. The craftsmanship blows me away. It's tailored perfectly for straight-grained wood, showing real knowledge of the material. And that vintage Detroit engine sound? Absolute music to the ears.
Bolt it! Oh no! Oh god! I can't believe I got it on video!
Man, storms like that will shake you to your core. Big winds, fallen trees. It's always a nightmare cleanup. Lucky break this time. Only the shed took the hit. Could have been way worse.
Shit! Oh! Oh my god! Shit! Oh my god! Karen! Karen!
Awesome setup, check this out. The Binderberger WS700 FBZ conveyor belt saw paired with a Deutz 5006 tractor. Running at 48 horsepower with PTO at 1000 RPM, it's tuned perfectly for firewood cutting. Smooth, balanced, and built for efficiency. This is how quality machines should run.
Ein Stück oder was? Haben wir noch die.
Wow, talk about smart forestry. The 1270H with the nimble 425 harvester minimizes waste and maximizes yield. Regular harvesters leave 10 to 15% of usable wood behind. This beast, less than 5%. Smarter use of resources, better for the forest, and better for the future. Wow, this is inspiring. Check out this young farmer and forestry worker in central Carinthia. He may be new, but the way he handles those tight spots, like taking down 2 trees close together, is seriously impressive. Smart choices, steady hands, and pure determination. Amazing skills in action. This clip shows real forestry work up close. Even though he's still learning, his confidence and technique already stand out. It's not easy work, but you can tell he's on the right path. That's a wrap for today. Share your thoughts below, and if this video inspired you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, take care.